Let us solve this by completing the square. So x squared plus 6x plus 5 is equals to 0. What we do first, since the coefficient of x squared is 1, so we don't need to divide anything. We just proceed by taking the constant to the other side. So we shall have x squared plus 6x being equals to negative 5. Now, after that, the next step is to divide the coefficient of x, which is 6, divide it by 2, and then square the result. So this will be equals to 6 by 2 is 3, so 3 squared, which is equals to 9. Now you get this value, 9, and add it on both sides of the equation, on this side and on this side. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equals to minus 5 plus 9. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equals to, this gives us 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now the next step is to factor the left hand side, which is this x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now to factor this, we get x plus, now we get the number that we got after dividing the coefficient of x by 2, which in this case was 3. Before we squared it, so the value we got before squaring is the value you put. So 3 plus 3, then squared is equals to 4. So we now find the square root on both sides. So we shall find the square root this side and square root this side. This root cancels with the square cancels with the root. So we are left with x plus 3 is equals to root of 4. But square root of 4 is equals to plus or minus 2. So x plus 3 is equals to plus or minus 2. So therefore x will be equals to plus 2 minus 3, and x will be equals to minus 2 minus 3. So for this side, x is equals to 2 minus 3 gives us minus 1, and x is equals to minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1 and minus 5. Let's look at another example. Let's work out this quadratic equation by completing the square. So we have x squared plus 8x minus 9 is equals to 0. So what we do first is to take the constant on the other side. So we shall have x squared plus 8x minus 9 plus 9 is equals to 0 plus 9. We have x squared plus 8x. So this cancel. We are left with 9 is equals to 9. Now the next step is to get the coefficient of x, which is 8, and then divide it by 2. So 8 divided by 2, and then after that you square the result. So we shall have 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is equals to 16. So you get this value that you've got and add it on both sides of the equation. So you have x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equals to 9 plus 16. So this will be x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equals to 9 plus 16 gives us 25. So after doing that, you factor the left hand side, which is this side. So we shall have x plus, now the factor, the value that you put inside should be this value that you get after dividing the coefficient of x by 2, which in this case is 4, before we square. So 4 is the value you put. So x plus 4, then you square, is equals to 25. So now you find the square root on both sides. So square root is equals to square root of 25. So now this square cancels with the root, and we are left with x plus 4 is equals to, so square root of 25 is 5, so we shall get plus or minus 5. Therefore, the value of x will be, so x plus 4 is equals to positive 5 and x plus 4 is equals to negative 5. So we shall have x being equal x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to 5 minus 4, and x plus 4 minus 4 is equals to minus 5 minus 4. This cancels. We are left with x is equals to 5 minus 4 is 1, and this cancels also this side. X will be equals to minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Therefore, the value of x is equals to 1 and negative 9. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing is completely free of charge. Kindly help me and press that subscription button so that you don't miss future videos. Like this video, comment and share with your friends so that they also share this experience. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video.